My name is Chad Beckman. I am a marketing specialist. I've been here for almost 10 years. What I love about CarShield is the fact that it completely changed my life. And I kind of had 3 different goals when I first started here. I wanted to pay off all my student loan debt and the debt that I had from traveling. I wanted to get married and be able to pay for that outright. And I wanted to be able to build a house out in Winsville where I currently live. And within 2 years, I was able to pay off my student loan debt, paid for my wedding, and then able to build that house as well. So very thankful for that. I mean, one of the great aspects of being able to work here is there's great work-life balance. When you're here, it's fun, we work hard, we get things done. But I'm also able to go home, hang out with my wife, do the things that I enjoy to do, and not have to stress about what's happening at work. The room for growth here at CarShield is honestly like none that I've ever seen before. I started as a sales rep, went from a sales rep to a team lead, went from a team lead to running our pre-sales department. I've done training, but the potential, you kind of write your own story here. As far as outside of work where I see myself in 5 years, at that point I'd love to have my house paid off. I would love to have a couple little kids. Right now I just got 2 dogs. Hopefully I can continue to go down this path which I enjoy, which is health and fitness. There's no way that I'd be where I am in life without this company. And I'm extremely, extremely grateful for the opportunity